Hello Hacktubers and welcome back to my channel Hacktuber. Today's video will be a review for tools that have multi-purpose functions, up to 7 in one multi-handheld tools. Let's dive in and see what we got. These heat-resistant silicone working pads and 3Dsimo 3D drawing example book, we're gonna check them later. A bunch of 3D drawing filament, like ABS, PLA, in every color you want. About this blue pad, it's a silicone heat-resistant pad for your creativity. Directly you can 3D draw on this thing, which is super cool. So here it is, 3Dsimo Multipro, universal tool for every maker. This kit that I have is 4-in-1 multi-tool that is upgradable up to 7-in-1. You can use it as 3D pen, digital controlled soldering iron, foam cutting and burning tool. 4-in-1. Look Hacktubers, it comes with very nice 3Dsimo carrying box. Some more printing filament beside ABS and PLA. Thermo-changing filament is very popular. This is the main body of Multipro Tool and you can see that it's very fine gadget designed to be handy and easy to use. Changing different tool on this thing is super easy and fast. Press and change. Power adapter that comes in kit is for power up the 3Dsimo tool. It gives 12 volts and 2 amps of current, which is decent power. Next is foam cutting tool that come with a lot of spare heating wire. Wood burning tool, my favorite tool for designing. Soldering iron and some soldering thing. Every tool you need if you are a maker is here. 3D drawing or 3D pen, soldering iron, foam cutting and wood burning tool. I will show you how works every tool, but first you must check the 3Dsimo Multipro Tool campaign that is live right now on Indiegogo, and to mention that just now you have opportunity to get the 3Dsimo products with 50% discount. This model that I have it will be upgradable with 3 more tools: jigsaw, screwdriver and driller. So it means you can have it 7-in-1 multi-tool for every job. For more info about 3Dsimo Multipro, check the link below. First, of course, I'm gonna use the 3D pen tool and try to make something creativity and fun. Look just how simple it is to add new tool and power up this gadget. On OLED screen that is super visible, you can set your desired filament type and adjust the speed of melting. On this silicone pad that I mentioned before, I will try to make 2 simple LED gadgets using 3D pen. With burning tool you can draw easy on wood and leather. Once again, see how easy it is to switch between different tools. Next tool we're gonna try is the foam cutting, but before I need to put the new heating wire. The last tool is Soldering Iron, which is digital controller, and you can see the settings on the display. You can adjust the melting temperature up to 419 degrees that can be reached in 20 seconds. Yeah, it's super fast heating soldering iron for electronic repairs and DIY projects. So that was 4-in-1 Multipro tool by 3Dsimo, and I hope you liked today's video review. If so, check the link below for more info about this gadget. Thanks for watching, HackTubers.